What if I told you a YouTube channel that started less than a year ago now has over 3 million subscribers and could be making up to $800,000 a year just by posting animated documentaries? That's exactly what channels like Fern are doing with these viral 3D documentary-style videos. And let me tell you, I've been hooked. The storytelling, the visuals, it's addicting. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a 3D designer to create videos like this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete AI-powered blueprint to create Fern-style videos even if you've never edited a video before. We'll go step by step. How to come up with viral documentary ideas, how to write the script using AI, how to generate those 3D visuals, how to animate, voice, and edit the video, and yes, I'm giving you a free step-by-step document with all the tools, prompts, and my personal templates. You'll find it in the first link below. Let's dive in. So step 1. Find a viral topic plus script. First things first, you need a topic that grabs attention. Fern typically focuses on mysteries, conspiracies, history, or crime. Think The Man Who Claimed to Be a Time Traveler, or the secret CIA project you weren't supposed to know about. To make this super easy, I built a custom GPT model trained on hundreds of top-performing scripts and thumbnails from channels like Fern, Aperture, and Voyager. It knows exactly what topics work and how to structure the story. Let's test it. I typed in, what are some viral Fern-style YouTube video ideas? One suggestion jumped out at me. John Titor, the supposed time traveler from 2036. Sounds like a perfect hook, right? Now I just asked the GPT to generate idea 1 as a full documentary script. It instantly gives me a full Fern-style script, broken down by scene with detailed visual descriptions. Then I ask, now give me image prompts for each scene. Done, we now have the script and visual blueprint ready in minutes. And step 2, create the 3D visuals with AI. Here's the fun part. Turning those scenes into 3D visuals without touching Blender or Cinema 4D. You can use ChatGPT 4o's image generation, Leonardo, or any AI art tool. But we need to mimic that polygonal 3D Fern style. After testing dozens of prompt styles, I created a prompt template that consistently delivers that exact look. It's in the free doc below. Just paste the prompt, add your scene description, and hit generate. You'll get scenes that look like this. Repeat this for every scene in your video. And step 3, animate your visuals. Now it's time to bring those images to life. I recommend using Leonardo. AI, it lets you upload an image and generate smooth cinematic animations. Even better, their motion control presets add camera movement like dolly-ins, pans, or zooms. Set it to 720p, 16:9, pick a camera motion and boom, your static image turns into a professional-looking video clip. Do this for all your scenes and download them. And step 4, generate the voiceover, AI voice cloning. Next, we need a voice. I use 11 Labs, it's scary how realistic their voices are. You can use one of their built-in voices or do what I did, clone the voice of a viral narrator. From a successful channel, you'll know who I mean. Paste your script in, add punctuation for tone and pauses, then click generate. Once it sounds right, download the final voiceover. And step 5, editing the final video. Open up Premiere Pro, CapCut, or any editing tool you like. 1 point, drag in the voiceover. 2, cut out the silent pauses to keep pacing tight. 3, drop your animated visuals above the voice track. 4, adjust durations to match the narration. But here's a pro tip. Don't just use animated visuals. To boost watch time, sprinkle in stock footage, TikTok clips, real news footage, zoomed images, famous personalities like MLK or Einstein for recognition. Even Fern mixes it up. Add subtle motion effects like zoom-ins to make still images feel dynamic. And step 6, add motion graphics plus sound design. To level up, use Paper and Animator for quick match-cut motion graphics, perfect for name reveals or dramatic facts. Just type in a word, and it gives you stylized motion text. Now for the most overlooked part of all, sound design. Music and sound effects can 10x your engagement. Once you layer the music, adjust the levels, and add some ambient effects, your video is ready. Fern 2. Don't use a brand new channel. If you're starting from scratch, don't upload this to a brand new YouTube account. YouTube doesn't trust it yet. Your video might get buried. Either use an older channel you own, or consider getting an aged channel with history. This strategy lets you create Fern-style viral content using only AI, and if you follow this blueprint, you can do it consistently and at scale. Now let's watch a sneak peek of what we just created together.